Have you ever heard the midnight whistle of a train that brings the dead? There's an old abandoned track where a horrific crash once happened, killing dozens. But the train, it never stopped running. Locals say if you hear its ghostly whistle at night, don't look outside, because the train isn't for the living. A woman named Emma heard the whistle once. She saw a glowing train with pale faces staring out bloodied windows. Whispers filled the air, cries for help and curses. They say if the train stops for you, you join its endless passengers, trapped between life and death forever. Would you dare stand near the tracks when the ghost train comes calling? Subscribe to Scary Night Teller for more terrifying true stories and urban legends.